Hey everyone, did you know you can get this amazing course, Business Strategy and Innovation Frameworks, completely free using the coupon code in the description below? That's right, free access, and you even get a certificate of completion. This course from the MTF Institute dives deep into building and sustaining competitive advantage. It's structured to take you from foundational strategic management concepts, covering core frameworks for effective decision-making, all the way to advanced techniques. You'll learn about disruptive innovation, exploring the blue ocean strategy for identifying new markets, and the jobs to be done framework for understanding customer needs. The course also covers agile methodologies like the lean startup, including lean canvas and pivoting strategies. You'll master Porter's value chain analysis, diversification strategies, and even a special module on disruptive thinking to help you challenge conventional wisdom. The learning objectives are clear: master strategic management, apply disruptive innovation principles, utilize lean startup methods, optimize value chains, and formulate robust business strategies. The course aims to equip you with the tools to apply the blue ocean strategy, utilize the JTBD framework, analyze Porter's value chain, and cultivate a truly disruptive mindset. Who is this for? Aspiring entrepreneurs, seasoned managers, product professionals, consultants, strategists, and anyone wanting to improve their strategic capabilities will find this valuable. The course promises over 6 hours of video content, practical exercises, and real-world case studies. You'll develop skills in strategic planning, innovation, market analysis, agile methodologies, and disruptive thinking. So, are you ready to transform your approach to business strategy and innovation? Remember, it's free with the coupon code in the description. Check out the full course description for more details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.